Hello everyone, welcome to HEDI. This is Anis, and in this video tutorial I would like to demonstrate to you how to insert small digital terrain map into larger digital terrain map. To do this, first I would create IC2 file or digital terrain map from a ASCII file. Then I would insert this into a larger digital terrain map. We would want to do this in order to take into account the effect of surrounding terrain when we are planning our network for a target area. So first open up ICS map server, then go to import/export, import IC2 from, go to ASCII grid, select the ASCII file that contains your digital terrain map, then give it a proper file name and save this IC2 file. Once the import is completed, let's open this IC2 file that we have created. So this is the digital terrain map that we have. Let's go to the information tab. We see there are several information here. First, first of all, step size is 5 meter. It's crucial to note this is 5 meter step size. The next thing is the corner coordinates are also present here. However, the grid code is missing. It is absolutely important to enter correct grid code in this file. So we know from the source of this file the grid code for this particular terrain is 4UTS48. So once we have entered this value, let's make record of this upper left corner x and y coordinate, then lower right corner x and y coordinates, because we would need this to extract the area around this map by using uh, worldwide builder function in ICS map server. So let's press OK and check it. Yep. So now let's go to disk option and go to calculator. The reason I'm showing you this function here is because the x and y coordinate that we saw previously, let me show you again, x and y coordinate, these are in meters, but in worldwide builder we have the representation in degree minute seconds. So in order for us to easily find this particular area in the world, let's convert these values into degree minute seconds representation. So click on the calculator again, put in the x value, and this value I have recorded it to be 77115 and 9242180, and we know the grid code to be 4UTS48, and the grid code that we want to convert is 4DMS. 4DMS is degree minute seconds, and we have the same datum by the reference of 4 here. Now click calculate, so it will give you a coordinate value. Sorry, I missed out a 5 here. 5115. So let's click calculate again. Okay, so we have this coordinate, and this x and y value is for the upper left corner, and we would do the same for the lower right corner, and then we record these values. So once you have done this, and make note of the step size to be 5 meters, go to import/export, go to worldwide builder, and go to local plus FTP. Select map area selector, open this option up, and this particular function would allow all the ATDI customers to extract digital terrain map from all over the world once they describe the location. We have to set up the project. Let's set up the project and select the projection method. We would use 4UTS48 because we know that is the grid code for our source file. We can give a particular name to this file. Let's call it map. We need to have the terrain resolution of 5 uh, meters because that is the original file's resolution. So you need to be consistent with the step size. Currently we do not want any other image except for digital terrain, so let's select no map. We have to enter our access code and this is given to all the ATDI client. Let's go to the map selector area. Then we find our area by using this pointer and reading the latitude and longitudinal value from here. So I have already selected the proper place and then extended it several degrees vertically and horizontally so that it covers larger area than what is required. So our map would be somewhere around here and this is the surrounding area. After that, click on build and then confirm. Sorry, I have not shown you how to select the folder where you want to save it. So you can select a folder where you want to save this file. You can create new folder here and say map. So we will select this folder as a destination folder. Then we go to build, confirm. That will start downloading the digital terrain map. For the sake of making this video short, uh, I will let this process complete. It will take a while and then show you the final image that we have downloaded and then show you the process of insertion. So I have completed the download process. Let's open up the file that we have downloaded. So this is the folder where I've downloaded everything. That is, and it is a big image, so it is taking a while to load. So this is the file that we have downloaded from the map server. Let's look at the information tab. We have 5 meter step size and 4 UTS 48 grid code. So it's consistent with what we have originally. And now, in order to insert this small map into the big map, go to disk option, then go to insert files, select the destination file. That should be the big file, so that should be the 5 meter image that we have. Select 16-bit because we have digital terrain map in 16-bit format. Select your original file that you have that you want to insert on the larger file. So this is the file that I have, and you can see in this red mark, this is the actual location of my original file and these are the surrounding. Generally you would not want this wide, you might have equal length of wide, but for the purpose of demonstration this should be fine. Also, in the insert mode, please select insert all but no data value. We can see the background by clicking show background. So our image is somewhere here, which is right. Now let's press insert and then it shows the process of insertion. As we can see, since it is a big image, it is gonna take a while, so be patient with it. And now it is completed, so let's close this. Let's open up our file again that we have inserted on. So this is our file and we have managed to insert our small file in this big file. In order to check this, it depends on how well it has merged together. So here is the transition where they have merged together, and you can see these are these marks which represents this is the new larger terrain and this is a smaller terrain, and there is discontinuity here because of the quality that we have for these two images. But generally our image has been inserted and that particular line can be removed by interpolation functions later on. So thank you very much for your attention and take care.